Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, I will show you how to purchase connects on Upwork. First, log into your Upwork account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Membership Connects section. Here, you'll see an option to purchase connects. Choose the number of connects you want to buy and click Buy Now. Select your payment method and complete the purchase. Once done, your connects will be added to your account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.